Salutations. Can I help you guys?
Yeah.
With what?
Push. You'll be our main person. You'll go first.
All right. I'll be the main person. All right.
He's gonna push.
All right, then you guys have to take my orders then.
He's gonna push for us. He's gonna push.
All right, I'll push for you guys. For real. So you guys need to be like my minions and follow behind me, okay? Oh my, there's a kid in a wheelchair?
Yeah.
I'm not shooting him. Oh, okay.
Hello? Hello? Do you think I'm a cat?
Yeah.
Bro, chase it.
I just got hit, bro.
Done. Shoot him.
Can I test it on you? Don't just shoot him here. Shoot that fool.
You can shoot me, bro. Shoot me right here. Oh, your mag fell out. Your mag fell out.
Hit! I'm hit!
Okay. Watch that. Thank you.
Hit.
Bang. Or trade?
Where?
Then I guess we both kneel, right?
Oh yeah. Bang.
Revive me.
Is that recording? It's up on YouTube.
Are we gonna camp your body, bro?
Snitch on him, bro. Snitch on him.
Try to say come get me.
Do it.
Hey, come get me! Bro, do we even have our teammate in?
Oh yeah, your gun's cool. I have a bigger one.
Are you scared, bro? Come on. Shoulder war. I can body slam you, bro.
I just want to talk to you.
Oh!